Hey everybody friends, welcome to our channel, and in this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can save an audio message on any iPhone. Dear friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also please put your likes and don't forget to write comments. Well, let us get down, friends, to our topic today. And first, please open the messaging app on your device. Navigate to the conversation you want to have. And you will need to, for example, to record some audio message. At the bottom, click on this sign in the message bar. If you don't see it, then you will need to click on the plus sign on the left side. Then select audio and you will see this sign or immediately start recording, as you can see. Now click on pause and send. This will send your audio message. If you want to save it or perhaps what someone sent you, someone else's audio message, then you will need to click and hold on it. Then save to voice. This way, that audio message will be saved. Where can I find it? You can find it in the voice recorder. To do this, please find the voice recorder on your device. Go to it. And, as you can see, appears here audio messages, which are categorized by date and time, as well as how long they last. If, friends, let's say you're trying to save some audio message and you can't do it, chances are that the audio message has simply expired, so to speak. To fix this for the future, you can go to Settings, then scroll down, click on the app. Now please find the message. Go to this app, swipe down, and this is where you will need to, friends, find the expiration date, so to speak, of the messages. Either 2 minutes you have it, or you can choose 1 year if you have this option available. As you can see, this option, it's unfortunately not available to everyone, but in many new iPhones, new models I know it's available. So you can switch to 1 year, and then within 1 year, you can switch to conversation at any time and save the audio message that you want. That's the way, friends, you can save audio messages on your iPhone. Don't forget, friends, to subscribe to our channel. Write comments and give us likes. Take care, friends.